Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. This is a bit of a milestone. I've just posted my 50th video to this channel. And I'd like to say a big thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. For me, to combine my hobby of video production with my passion for good food and outdoor cooking on the barbecue is wonderful. And to receive your comments, well, that's the icing on the cake. So once again, it's a big thank you to everyone, especially my subscribers. And if you haven't already subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Simply click the button and ding the bell. I said ding the bell. You know, you can't get the staff these days. Well, I've got some great videos coming up, so keep watching and I'll see you soon.